If you've been looking for an easy way to bring the spa experience home, this infrared and steam pop-up sauna is honestly such a game changer. I'm so excited to introduce this new sauna to you. I love how easy it is to set up, and it is from the brand Kasue. Everything that you may need will be linked in the description box down below. So this pops up quickly and it doesn't take up much space, which makes it perfect for home use, especially if you don't want a bulky permanent sauna. What makes this one really stand out is that it gives you both infrared heat and steam, so you get that deep, warming, relaxing feeling while also enjoying the soothing steam experience. It feels amazing after a long day, especially if you have sore muscles, body tension, or just need some time to unwind. I absolutely had to have something like this. I am postpartum with my fourth child. We really try and get it done on the backyard homestead, and I needed a place to just sit untouched and have a nice space to relax, but also heal my body. So the inside is surprisingly roomy and comfortable, and I really like that you can sit back and relax while still using your phone if you need to. You could read in here, you could watch television because the window on the front opens up. And another huge plus is how convenient it is compared to going to a spa. You can use it anytime at home and it heats up so quickly. You don't have to wait long at all. I like to fill my basin up here with filtered water. It does come with a remote if you need it to, so you could turn this on and off or set the heat adjustments or the timing from inside the sauna if you needed to. I usually go at a 6 or a 7 after a long day outside or after a workout, and then I pop in here with the red light and just enjoy a decompressing little spa corner of my home. If you're into self-care, wellness, or just creating a cozy at-home spa setup, this is definitely worth checking out.